Now this one dedicated to the girl.
Okay, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title underneath this video, today is going to be a chunky faux lock tutorial. I'm going to show you exactly how I got these long textured faux locks, and I'm going to show you my exact method on how I also lengthened these locks and made them look beautifully textured. Alright, so basically let me go ahead and quickly give you a 360 and then we're going to get into the tutorial. Alright, so here is the side. Get a little closer. And then this is the back. And I'm 5'7½". So they are still pretty long. Okay, and let me give you up close on the back. Alright, and then this is the other side. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and head into the installation portion of the video so I can share with you my exact technique on how I achieve these long, thick faux locks. And so if you're interested, definitely keep on watching. Also, I wanted to mention that I got some of my inspiration from Rihanna, and I'll insert a picture of her faux locks that she had in. I definitely kept that in mind when I was doing this tutorial for you guys. And yeah, so we're going to go ahead and just get into the installation so I can show you my exact technique. So the hair I'll be using is by Freetress. It is their 2X faux lock hair in the size large. It is 20 inches and I got it in the color 1B. So this is how the hair looks straight out of the package. Now, of course, I'm going to be adding some length to this hair. So here is my rod, just showing you an example of what I already have prepared. I've combined 2 strands and I've interlocked the strands there. So I'm going to show you this technique in just a moment. And then I'm going to also show you how I make it more realistic and fluff out the strands to make it blend seamlessly. Here is where you're going to combine strands. So you're going to need 2 single strands of hair. You're going to simply take one of your strands and run your hands down the length of the strand like you see here. Find a good area to insert the crochet needle. And then you're going to perform the normal crochet method by grabbing the second strand, placing it on the hook, and pulling it through. Alright, next you're going to open up the hook from the second strand and actually pull both the shorter and longer length through. And then you're going to pull the longer length taut to make a knot like you see there. Alright, once you've got the knot, this is how it should look. Now you simply want to crochet the shorter length into the longer strand, and I'm going to demonstrate that for you. So basically go ahead and insert the crochet needle through the middle of the longer strand, and then you're going to grab the middle of the shorter strand and pull it through. And you're going to continue to repeat that process until the shorter strand is completely embedded into the longer strand. So I'm just going to do that a couple of times until I no longer see that shorter strand poking out of my longer strand. Alright, and then this is the finished result. Now all that's left is basically for me to place this strand on my crochet rod, and then I'm going to show you how I fluff them in just a moment. Okay, so we're finally at the part where we actually install the faux locks. All right, so we're going to install first and then we're going to fluff after. So simply perform the normal crochet method here. And what I did was I unraveled the root of the strand just to make it a little bit more textured towards the root area. All right, and what's different is you're going to fluff from root to tip, completely disturbing the normal pattern of the locks. And you're even going to disturb the knot that you created to interlock the 2 strands. All right, you're going to stop at a certain point and leave the ends uniformed and looking neat, but the rest of the strand you want it to be messy and fluffy. Okay, so here is the finished result. So I've got all of the hair installed, and I know it looks like a lot of hair, but trust me, it's not. Everything is spaced 2 finger widths apart, and also it's extremely lightweight. It's not heavy at all. And honestly, guys, when I started this process, I had no idea how it would turn out, but I absolutely love the finished result. And to see more pictures of this hair, you definitely want to follow me and visit me on Instagram at gabbysqueendom. Also, if you enjoyed the video, video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Leave any questions that you have or comments in the comment section below. And then share this video if you feel it will be helpful to others or of interest to someone else. Remember to subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. And until next time, bye guys.